If you are wondering if we have an AI camera on POCO X8 Pro, then the answer seems to be no. And it is possible that maybe some sort of AI is used when taking photos in order to slightly improve the quality of them. Maybe there's like some sort of quick post-processing or something, but of course it is not something that we can completely disable or re-enable. There is no option in this additional menu, or there is no option in settings where you can just easily disable all AI tools or something like that. However, if you go to settings, you can find AI recommendations, but I have to say that none of these options I would consider as AI, at least personally, of course. POCO and Xiaomi in general, they really like to say that pretty much every feature they can include in the AI concept, they tend to do that, even though realistically, if we go into technicalities, I don't really think these things are truly AI. So we have, like, let's say the QR code scanner, the automatic night mode, and notification about orientation. And personally, I wouldn't say this is actually truly AI tools, but still you can actually enable and disable them over here in camera settings if you want to. But besides that, I didn't see anything else that I would consider as AI. Of course, we have let's say beautify effects. For the front camera, there's actually a little bit more, like over here we have a couple of adjustments in here, so maybe that can be considered as AI. And maybe some people believe that this uses AI in order to use those filters, but I'm not entirely sure. So if you think so, then there we go, we have one thing. And besides that, I don't think there is much more. So yeah, so I would say there is no really any significant, at least, AI usage in the camera on the POCO X8 Pro. Leave a like and subscribe.